everyone, welcome to the native mobile programming course for the second week. Last week you have already learned about the basics of Kotlin, but unfortunately I don't have any video about Kotlin. If you want, you can always ask me in the comments to create the video for the basics of Kotlin. But for now, I'll assume that you have already known Kotlin at the very basic at least. For today, for this week, we will learn about Android Studio, the IDE we will use for the rest of the semester to create Android apps. That's why we need to familiarize ourselves with the Android Studio. Okay, but before we start, this only applies for Ubaya students. So for everyone else, you can skip to the next video. Please use the playlist I'll give you at the description below, or you can always click maybe at the upper right side of this video. I will give some links over there. You can click to start the next video. Okay, but for Ubaya students, please pay attention. Starting from this week, the second week, there will be weekly CEs, class engagements that you must do and submit to Classroom. So here are the rules. First, when creating Android Studio projects, please append S and your NRP, then followed by an underscore prefix. So for example, if your NRP is 160499000 and you want to create a project called SpongeBob, then please name your project as 160499000 underscore SpongeBob. Obviously, I don't have NRP myself, so I won't use this notation. I will directly name my project as it is, but for you, please append as NRP underscore. Okay. And then please take a couple of screenshots of your Android Studio projects. The minimum is 2, but the exact amount of screenshots you have to provide on your CE differs for each week, so please pay attention later. Your screenshot must adhere to these rules. The first one, you must take your entire screen. You must not crop it. You must not take a window or region only. Please take your entire screen at once. The time on the taskbar must be clearly visible, including date and time. So for example here, my taskbar is visible with the time and date. Please format it something like this. And then at least one screenshot must show the Project Explorer, the left-hand side of your Android Studio project. We will talk later about the Project Explorer in more depth. With your package name must be visible in entirety, not cropped. And for the package name, it's the same as your project name. We will see the correct example at the next slide. And then what to screenshot, it differs from each week. Please pay attention to the last slide for each week. I will tell you later when you have CE. And please do not compile into a Word documents or Docs, Google Docs documents. Nor you must not archive it on zip files or 7-zip or RAR. Please do not archive. Please do not compile. Just submit each screenshots as they are, image files. So if you take 3 screenshots, then your submission is 3 image files, not 1 Word documents or 1 zip files. Okay, if you fail to do this, then we will skip your CE. Your CE will not be graded. And please submit to Google Classroom after the class ends. Please no late submissions. The deadline differs by KP. Please see the deadline for your KP. Okay, this is the correct example of the screenshot. So the package name is clearly visible and in entirety. Please do not crop it. You may want to resize your Project Explorer window or pane, so your package name is clearly visible. Also, the package name can be found at the first line of your Kotlin file. For example, here I have my package name is it.web.rpgfantasy.coba Coba material here is the project name, and then it.web.rpgfantasy is the reverse domain. Yeah, and then on the taskbar, yeah, your computer's time and date should be visible. Okay, that's all about the CE for you. Yeah. For today, we will talk these topics. Yeah, we have 8 topics to learn about today. The first one, we will talk about the native or hybrid or web applications. Yeah, what are the differences? What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages for each type of apps? And then we will create a new project on Android Studio. Yeah, we will familiarize ourselves with the Android Studio, and then we will try to run our app either using emulator or using a real device. Yeah, what are the differences? We will talk about it later. And then we will talk about layout activity. These are the two basic components of create of an Android application, yeah, as well as a listener. Yeah, because the topics are quite a lot, then I will divide these topics into each video on its own. Yeah, starting from the next topic. Okay, in the next video, we will talk about native apps versus hybrid apps versus web apps. Yeah, what are they? Please don't go anywhere. Yeah, let's continue on the next video.